How to edit videos in Movavi Video Editor. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to edit videos in Movavi Video Editor. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right here I have two videos in my editor, and then for example I want to add in some things to them, so I can just click on them right here and you can see all of these buttons right here. You can do that. In here you can see the backgrounds that you can add in. You can also see the music that you can add, the text, the transitions, and also the effects. So in here the filters, we can add in some filters right here. So let's add in these filters, and as you can see, let's add in here right here. Then as you can see, this video right here has been adjusted to not have any color, but you can also add in other filters right here that can enhance your video. It's totally up to you. So in here you can also see a lot of filters categories, like this color filters, flying objects, light leaks, and all of that. So you can do so. You can also see their overlay effects. So just click on this here to download it. Then after it downloaded, then you can drag it here again in order to add that overlay effect to your video. So let's just wait for it to finish downloading, and let's drag it right here. Then after it has been dragged, as you can see, that effect has been added to our video. So in here you can also see other options like this thing right here. In here you can see the LUTs. So you can just click the plus icon, and you can also see the cube format right here. Then from there you can also see these stickers right here, wherein you can add in some stickers on your video. So for example, let's click on this video right here and download it, and then after that just drag in here to the text file to whatever timestamp that you want, and then as you can see, it has been added to our video. You can also click on it right here, and then you can adjust it to your preference. And then in here you can also see some other stickers that you can use, the call outs, and also the frames. And in here you can see the effects store. So in here you can just click here to install, but as you can see, this is store, so you need to purchase it in order to get it on your editor. So in here you can see the video right here. So in here you can see other settings of your video. So you can use this color adjustments right here. So you can do so by clicking on the preset or on the manual mode. So let's add in here the auto contrast. So as you can see, it will actually automatically contrast it. Then you can also see the crop and rotate, the position, pan and zoom, stabilization, animation. So let's add in here this animation right here. So as you can see, if we played it, as you can see, there will be an animation once it has been played, like that. So after that, you can also click on this chroma key right here in order to edit your video, and also this background removal, scene detection, logo, and slow motion. There's a lot of options that you can do so right here, and after you've done with everything, just click on export right here, click on export video, and you should be able to download it on your actual computer. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to edit in Movavi Video Editor. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.